Our convenient 1-liter clobber bottle is preloaded with a Selectrocide packet. The packet, which contains concentrated chlorine dioxide, should not be handled, punctured, cut, or removed from the bottle. To activate the disinfectant, simply add water up to, but not over the designated fill line, tightly close the trigger spray lid, and wait 30 minutes for full activation prior to use. The chlorine dioxide within the packet will dissolve. Selectrocide should be activated in a well-ventilated area. The spray bottle should be immediately labeled with the activation date and time to track potency of the solution. Test strips may be used to assure 100 parts per million of chlorine dioxide have been attained. The activated Selectrocide solution is used by simply spraying the targeted surface until visibly moist. The surface need not be drenched with the solution. There is no need to rinse or remove the Selectrocide. Simply wait 10 minutes after application. The surface is now disinfected and ready for use.